Microsoft Copilot, AI in your office suite. If your workplace runs Microsoft 365, you are about to get an AI coworker. Microsoft Copilot is being embedded into Word, Excel, Outlook, Teams, and everything else. Let's talk about what it actually does and what the security implications are. Copilot is Microsoft's AI assistant built into the 365 suite. It can draft documents in Word, analyze data, and create formulas in Excel, summarize email threads in Outlook, and recap meetings in Teams. It's powered by large language models and connected to your org's data through Microsoft Graph. The newest feature is Copilot Tasks, AI that works in the background, doing multi-step tasks like compiling meeting briefings, tracking listings, or surfacing urgent emails with draft replies. It's moving from answering questions to actually doing the work. For cybersecurity specifically, there's Security Copilot. It integrates with Defender, Entra, and Purview. You can use it to investigate incidents, summarize threat intel, analyze suspicious scripts, and generate reports. It doesn't replace the analyst, it accelerates the work. That's a huge advantage in a SOC handling hundreds of alerts a day. Now here's the critical security concern. Copilot accesses data based on the user's existing permissions. If someone has overly broad access to SharePoint or email, Copilot can surface that data in ways nobody intended. This is called the oversharing problem, and it's one of the biggest risks around enterprise AI deployments. Organizations need to audit permissions and implement data loss prevention before rolling out Copilot at scale. And that's creating demand for security professionals who understand both AI and data governance. In my next video, we'll talk about prompt engineering, how to actually talk to AI and get useful results. Subscribe, and I'll see you there.